Lastly, I'm going to show you the CDOT Detour Identification tool. Once you open the Detour tool, it will open to the instructions page. This walks you through how to use the tool, and I'll walk you through this today. So first, we're going to go to the closure location. You're going to input your CDOT route number. This has to be 3 numbers and a letter. You can see the example over here. You'll want to put in your milepost of your asset, and then you can put in a minimum and a maximum milepost. And this would be where the road closure is. So even if our bridge is at milepost 115, we may have to close the road from milepost 0 to milepost 450. That might be an exaggeration, but at least it shows you, you may need a bigger closure than just in the immediate area of your asset location. Next, we're going to go to the Detour Information tool. We're going to go to the Data tab, and we're going to clear the data. It's important that you clear the data every single time that you use this, so you are getting the correct information. Then I'm going to scroll over. The 3 columns I want to pay attention to are P, Q, and R, which is primary match, secondary match, and two-way match. This will match what detours are available. I like to use the two-way match because it pulls both the primary and secondary. However, you want to look at the primary detour option only, then you can just use this tab. Or maybe you're looking at secondary detour routes, then you just use the Q column. Let's use column R, and we're going to select yes only. You can see that it pulled in a primary detour route and a secondary detour route. And it looks like in this case, that's just a matter of direction. So this is the eastbound route, detour route versus the westbound detour route. The information that we need for the Risk and Resiliency Excel spreadsheet tool is the added time and added distance. Depending on what detour route you want to use, copy this time and distance, and this is where you're going to copy it back into row 99 here in the Risk and Resiliency Excel spreadsheet tool in the Threat Asset Pair tab. And that's it. That's as simple as using the Detour tool. There's some other information in here. You can look at the state detour map. However, the added time and added distance is what you need for the Risk and Resiliency Excel spreadsheet tool. Thank you again for tuning into this demonstration. Just a reminder that you do need to review the manual and use the manual along with the Risk and Resiliency Excel spreadsheet tool and the CDOT Detour Identification tool.